Oh, welcome to the Cooking Channel, boy. Hey, back again for another week. Man, hey, I'm at the camp house today. My boys called, my sons called, they like, Dad, what you gonna do today? I like, hey, I don't know, I might sit around, I might barbecue something. And they brought up something that I ain't thought about. They said, you remember when we was coming up, you used to tell us when you used to work on this cruise ship, you made these fried mashed potato balls? I said, yeah. They said, you never made none. And I look back, I like, no, I haven't never made on video. So that'd be a pretty good appetizer for them to have. So I'm gonna make some fried mashed potato balls, you know. And I told them, I said, well, y'all come on over. Man, they probably be over about another couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these started. I'm gonna show y'all what to do and how y'all can do them too, you know. Hey, real easy, simple recipe, not a lot of ingredients. That's what you got to do. And you always gotta stay true to yourself, man. I told them, always listen to Daddy, because Daddy knows best. But some people don't. Some people don't listen to Daddy. You got some movie stars that don't listen to Daddy. I can give you an example. You remember Will Smith, Chris Rock? What his daddy told him? And look what happened. You don't know what he told him? I'll show you. Ask somebody.
My father told me never hit nobody first. If they hit you, son, take them to a hearse.
And welcome back to the Cooking General. And you know that you're gonna use potatoes because we're making fried mashed potato balls. And we're gonna need potatoes. And we also are gonna need some grease to fry them in. Now, I'm not gonna use milk because I don't want them too creamy. So instead, I'm gonna try to cream mine up with sour cream and some unsalted sweet cream butter. Now, the season I'm gonna use is black pepper and Slap Your Mama. You can use your favorite Cajun or Creole season. I'm gonna need 2 eggs for my egg wash. And now, also they're gonna need some chopped cheddar cheese I'm gonna put on mine and some bacon. And then you'll need some flour. And then also something to serve them with. I'm gonna serve them with ranch dressing. Now mine's gonna be spicy, and this is optional. Now I'm gonna put jalapeno in mine, which is optional. And I also love these here. These are Carolina Reaper, these cheese curls, very high fried. Optional. That's gonna go into my dry batter. And also optional, but hey, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now I'm gonna show you this here real quick so y'all know exactly what to do. Now my potatoes are about done. I got the potatoes boiling. I got them boiling. I left the skin on. They're easy to peel when you leave them with the skin on. So I just peel that off, and I'm gonna mix them in here with the sour cream and butter. And they'll be all mixed up just to show you how to do it. And don't forget to put your Creole season or your Cajun season in and your black pepper. Now, when I get them mixed all up and get them right the consistency I want, I got my jalapeno dice, I got my cheese and my bacon. That's gonna go into my potatoes here. Now, I also got my flour right here. And you remember I told you to use the flour? I'm using hot chips. So I'm gonna take this here, hot chip, I'll mix it in with my flour. That's gonna be my dry batter. And I'm gonna mix that up real good. And I'm gonna dip them in here. Now, I told you about the egg whites. Now, something about the egg whites, a lot of people are like, well, it's not really egg white. You got the yellow in there. Some people think it's just supposed to be the white, whatever. I don't care, I'm the Cooking General. If I can use the shell, I use them. Cooking General, ask somebody. Okay, welcome back to the Cooking General. When you got them all mixed up, and you got to batter them down. You know, you roll them out. They should come out really good. You got to get the right consistency though. You don't want them too smushy, but you don't want them too hard either. You can kind of feel that. It'll feel like dough. Hey, Cooking General, that's all that I can do. I just teach basic. Now you want to do, I got my grease here hot, and we're gonna drop them in there and let them go. Let them get golden brown. You come back and we're gonna conclude this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Man, we got them finished. Man, you talking about good now. Woo. Man, I'm just waiting for them to come up. The boys come up, they're going to love these here. Now, let me show them to you right quick. I serve mine with a little ranch dressing, but you can serve them how you want to serve them. They broke open like that there, cheesy. And very delicious. Man, boy, I'm telling you. Boy, now, you can substitute, switch the ingredients out, do them like you want to do them, man. They are good any way you do them. You can leave some ingredients out, you can add something to it. Man, you talking about good. Now, hey, Cooking General told you, but I know the guys out there, I know I got a women audience and a guy audience. You know when you cooking, you wash your hands. And I don't wash my hands, I don't deal with hot chips, I deal with jalapeno peppers. Wash your hands, wash your hands. I don't wash my hands 3 times. Go to the bathroom and, ooh, y'all, ooh. Ask somebody.